Hi guys, my name is Karina and today I come to you with a really nice at-home kit, which I already done, but you're gonna see the progress in the video. So this kit is PERMANIA Lash and Brow Lift Kit. This kit is designed for both lash lifting and brow lamination, and it comes in a really sleek tube packaging. Let's see how it works. This kit just got an upgrade. The packaging looks clean and modern, and what really stands out is the tube design for all the lotions. Super precise, super mess free, no more wasting product or dealing with those little messy packets. Application was honestly really smooth. The formula is gentle, which I appreciate because I have pretty sensitive skin around my eyes, and I used it on both my lashes and my brows, and it lifts, curls, and gives a soft, natural look without crunchy feel. So the actual kit has everything that you need, including extra brushes, different size pads for different sizes of the eyes and the length of eyelashes. And let's talk about this little gem, the PERMANIA glue bomb. It holds everything in place, but it's not sticky or hard to remove. I just flipped it off with a damp cloth and there was no residue at all. Big plus. Another thing, you can use that balm on every day when you're just slicking your eyebrows back in place, which is really great add-on, and it's a small package that you can just throw into your bag and carry it with you whenever you need it. It also comes with detailed instruction, even in multiple languages. If you're a beginner, you'll be totally fine. Everything you need is there. And here's the result: lifted lashes and brushed up brows that look natural but so much more polished. It's honestly a look like I went to a salon. But it took maybe 40 minutes start to finish at home. If you're looking for an easy, beginner-friendly lash lift or brow lamination kit that actually works, I definitely recommend trying PERMANIA kit. The upgraded formula and packaging makes a big difference, and I am super impressed. I think this is a staple to have at home, especially if you're scared to go to the salons and scared of your eyebrows or your eyelashes to get ruined. I think this is a great thing to have on hand because it takes really little time, but the results, honestly, I'm very happy with them. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and the only thing I'll have to do is just brush up the eyebrows, and honestly I don't even think you need mascara on your eyelashes. It curls and holds them really nicely. So let me know in the comments below if you loved or tried this kit. I would really recommend it. This is really high quality, no irritation, and really long lasting.